What's up, everybody? It's Saturday, January 29th, 2022, and we're in South River, New Jersey, and it is freezing cold. We just had a nor'easter, so there's a lot of snow on the ground, and the weather is supposed to get even colder tonight. It's supposed to be like -1. So right now it's technically, let me look at my phone here. It says 18 degrees on my phone. So 18 Fahrenheit. So it's probably, I believe, I don't even know. The Celsius is very low. But 18 Fahrenheit, it is cold. But we're looking at temperatures, the Fahrenheit temperature, to go into the teens. So I mean the ones, it's in the teens now, but it's supposed to get extremely cold tonight. But New Jersey, here we had a nor'easter. I'm in the central part of New Jersey, so here, so we got hit pretty hard. I've seen worse, but it was pretty hard. We got hit pretty hard. Maybe we got about 6-7 inches or so. I'm just guessing. Some places it looks like more, some places, but there's snow piled on top of other snow, as you can see here. But yeah, it was a pretty crazy storm of a lot of snow all night. And the snow started last night. I think around 8 p.m. the snow started, and then it started getting really heavy around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. It started getting pretty heavy around 12, but it was coming down for a while. 10 p.m. probably 9 p.m. it was coming down. Down South Jersey, they got a lot of snow, probably some close to 2 feet of snow. But it was a shore storm more than the rest of New Jersey. But along the Jersey shore, it got hit pretty hard. Everywhere, you know, around here, it got hit pretty hard too. So as you see here, there's a lot of snow. But from what you see here, it's probably tripled when you go down by Atlantic City and places like that. You go to like Point Pleasant, Seaside, maybe even Belmar, Neptune. It was a pretty crazy storm, but it is cold. But we're walking in South River here, New Jersey. I'm in the street because the sidewalk, I could barely walk on the sidewalk there. You just gotta be careful because this is slippery for the cars, so they could slide right into somebody if you don't watch yourself in this kind of weather. Wow, pretty bundled up. I got my gloves today, so it's good. A lot of my videos I don't have gloves, but I found them, so I put them on. So this video has gloves. Wow. Yeah, everything's pretty much closed, it looks like. I know I've heard everything's closed. This is my first venture out. On the news today they were saying that everything was closed. Been watching News 12, New Jersey. Team snow, team cold. I'm here. I'm in. Part of the team right now. It's cold. Yeah, they were talking about that on the, what was it, Dave Curran, the weather guy. Team cold, team snow. It's cool. I'm a member right now. Yeah, we got people shoveling snow everywhere because everybody's got to get everything dug out. But let's venture around here, see how everything looks with the snow. Snow is great once in a while. For me, that's my opinion. If you don't have to work or go anywhere, then it's kind of cool, right? Shoveling's a pain, of course. And if you have snow like every other day, no fun. But hey, once a year, hey, that's kind of cool, right? No, that's the way I see it. Twice a year, 3 times, when it's heavy snow like this, no. Especially when you have snow. There's been times I've seen where there's a snow like this, and then they're like, oh, okay, we got another one coming in 3 days. And what do you do with the snow that you already have? Especially if it's frozen. So those kind of situations are not fun whatsoever. But when you got a snowfall once in a while, it's cool. Maybe once a year. If you don't have to go anywhere. Then if you have to go somewhere, work or something, then definitely not fun whatsoever. It's good exercise walking around in the snow. I had to shovel out today, but everybody has to shovel out. That's the exercise. See that porch shoveled out. Maybe some didn't, but yeah, it's people got to work and all that. But it takes time. It's a job shoveling out. Getting shoveled out's important, of course. Got my boots on, but my one shoelace is getting untied walking. Let's see how far I can walk without tying it. Let me see. I'm gonna tie it right now. I have to. Okay, both of my shoelaces came untied. They're tied now, so good. Oh yeah, we're here in South River, New Jersey, and let's do a time check. It's 4:52, and it's Saturday, January 29th, 2022. Right after the nor'easter here, and it's freezing cold. It's about 18 degrees. Let me look again. I got my gloves on, so getting my phone to find the weather is not so easy. But it's about 18 degrees, and it's getting colder and colder and colder. So we're looking at brutal temperatures coming very soon. Brutal. So what's going to happen is if you go outside, make sure you are bundled up in this kind of weather, because it is cold and it's getting colder and colder and colder. It's going to be in the teens. The ones, it's in the teens now. It's going to be in the ones coming up very soon. So just have to make sure you stay bundled up. But people are digging themselves out right now, getting the snow off, because it's very crazy, the snow. What's up? Got to get all that out. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
I know, I just did mine. Insane. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Why not, you know? Last night I did one too with the snow coming down. It was cool. Last night, yeah. You have a lot to shovel? You have a lot to shovel? You did all that?
Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
This morning and again now.
Wow. Well, good job. That's a lot of work. I did mine too, but you have a wider spot there. That's cool. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna melt probably in a few days, but it's gonna freeze for now. You know?
Where I try to finish.
Yeah. You have no neighbor help?
Okay.
I don't have a shovel on me. You have a neighbor to help? No? Nobody help?
Yeah, the guy here.
Oh, good.
In the morning, but it's a lot of convection.
Yeah. I don't have a shovel on me. Yeah, maybe I'll come back and help if I could get a shovel. I'm over a few blocks, so I'll do a video.
Almost done, just this.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, you did most of it already, yeah. Wow. Well, no more snow right now, so we're good. Take it easy. Yeah, people shovel. I don't have a shovel on me. She's almost done anyway. But wow. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Yeah, people are starting to put down the rock salt. That's what I gotta do too. Yeah, we're here in South River. We're on the corner of Gordon Street and Jackson Street. Let's walk over this way. Actually, let's walk. Oh, there's a car. Let's walk this way. You got Bro Max Auto Sales right there. Okay, this is Radcliffe. We'll walk up Radcliffe here. Whew. Yeah, it's getting chilly. Gotta stay bundled up in this kind of weather. Yeah, I did my driveway today and everything, a lot of shoveling. I've never used my camera in this cold weather, this cold, so I don't know if they freeze or not, but we'll find out. Try walking on the sidewalk here. The wind's picking up. They're saying the wind is going to make it feel like minus weather. And I could tell already. It's cold. It's numbing cold. post office right here. You see. Let's walk up towards the main street. See what's going on. I got snow blowers going on, shoveling. There's a car coming out slowly. The car's coming out slowly. I guess that's a parking lot. I never really thought about that. So somebody wants to go to that Tropicana supermarket thing. Food market. Yeah, tropical. Cool. South River. Central New Jersey. There is a Central New Jersey. This is the debate in New Jersey. Is there a Central or no Central? Leave a comment. Let me know if you feel there's a Central New Jersey or not. I know majority say yes. I say yes. But everybody's got their own opinion on if there's a Central New Jersey or not. But this is Central New Jersey. What's up? What's up? So no English, some in this town. Many no English. If I said hola, maybe they know. But it's a language barrier. It's cold. Here we go. There's still trucks out with the plows, sanding and all that, I bet. In some areas. Keeping the roads nice. I think we're done with the snow. I didn't bring an umbrella, so hopefully we are. With the camera, you have to have an umbrella if it's raining, of course. You don't want to have your camera get all wet. It's bad for it. Even if it's waterproof, you still want to keep the water off of it because it gets on the lens. Then it looks, you got all these dots on the lens. Water spots. But this is South River Main Street here. Give you guys a view of South River. A lot of people shoveling. But let's walk this way. If you have no snow where you live, this might be exciting, I guess. And it's cool for us too when we see it once, maybe twice, but when it gets too much, it's like, wow, the snow. But I know a lot of people have no snow where they live and they come to New Jersey and they love it. They can't wait to see the snow. So I get it. It's exciting. I get it. So, but when you see snow everywhere all the time, if you live in an area with snow all the time, it's like no more snow. We've had enough snow. But yeah, some businesses are open, it looks like. Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts open today. Laundromat looks like it's open. This one, the South River Pub, looks like it's open. It's good for these local bars. I don't know, are they open? I'm not sure. Because local people, if they're home, they're gonna walk somewhere maybe and walk to the bar and stumble in today. Because nobody's gonna drive anywhere if they're staying local, like near home, because of the weather. Like right a block away or whatever. And nobody should ever drive drunk, period. I totally think it's horrible to drive drunk. So you always gotta be careful. A beer, 2 beers, you gotta know yourself, you gotta know the limits, you gotta know the laws, all that. But it's better to save it for when you get home, and you don't have to drive anywhere. I'm not a big fan of getting drunk, but I like a few beers, so there's nothing wrong with having a few beers as long as you're cool about it, you know. But that's about the extent of anything. I don't like hard liquor. If you like hard liquor, you know, be careful, or beer or anything. What's up, buddy? Got to be careful with food, everything. You got to read all the ingredients. Beer, especially things like beer or anything, if you're going to do it a lot, because that'll impact your health more than having a bad meal once in a while, like a bad fast food meal or something once in a while. Won't impact you as much as like your daily routine or weekly or something. Your pizza, say you eat pizza like me 24/7, but I make organic pizza. Make your own pizza, or find a good pizza parlor near you that you can maybe ask them, are the ingredients organic, are they healthy, do you read the ingredients, do you know what the ingredients are in your pizza, have you read the list of ingredients in your ingredients? I mean, questions like that are something that a restaurant, you know, maybe they don't want to give away their secret recipe, but they would surely, if they're an up and up restaurant, let you know that the ingredients are healthy or not, and if they investigate their ingredients of their ingredients. So sometimes you got to do that. You got to read ingredients of ingredients, and then maybe the ingredients of those ingredients. It's crazy. Down a rabbit hole. But now we're walking. We're on George Street here. We're gonna walk over here on George Street, South River. Let's take a walk by the pond. See how that's looking right now with the snow and everything. Any cool snow shovelers to talk to, we'll talk to them. But they're few and far between right now. That one girl was cool. We'll see how many people are out over here. Okay, so we can get to the pond here. Let's go down Leland here. Leland and George, we're on the corner of. And it's cold. January 29th, Saturday, 2022. And we just had the nor'easter. And it's a blizzard down the shore. Blizzard warning down the shore. So, yeah. It's cold. Seaside Heights. Point Pleasant, Atlantic City, Vineland. What's up, man? How's it going? Cool. Crazy snow, right? Insane. Yeah, some people shoveling out here. Gotta watch because these cars can slip around everywhere. Yeah, if you don't have to drive, don't drive in this kind of weather. See these side streets? This is everywhere probably. Very hard driving on the side streets. The back streets like this. Wow, what a cool colored house. It's different. Old school. That's wild, right? Wild. Wow, look at those icicles, like my house, big icicles. Okay, we're down by the pond. Walking the dog. Let's see what's going on down here by the pond. Oh man, I'm dressed pretty good. I don't feel cold because I got a nice jacket on from Express. I got it last year. Got 3 of them. It's really nice, really warm. I don't even have the inside part. There's actually an inside vest I didn't put on, but I got these gloves. You gotta bundle up and layers and this kind of stuff. And my head is cold though. I got my head really protected, but it's cold, a little cold. It's not cold, but I feel like from my face, it's cold because of my face. Whoa! Wow! This is crazy looking. Wow, look at the pond. This is Daly's Pond in South River, New Jersey. Wow. Time check. Let me do a time check here. Okay, it's Saturday, January 29th, 2022, 5:11, and the weather is very cold. Yeah, I can't get my phone because of my gloves, but it's 18 degrees or even a little less. South River, this is Daly's Pond. Look at it, it's so cool, right? Frozen, completely frozen, except the middle, because there's the live water going. Wow, it's hard to walk here. This is snowy. But there's usually a lot of geese, maybe ducks or whatever here, but there's none today because of how cold it is. I see some on the side or something. I hope they're okay. Something going on there. It's so cold. Who knows? I hope they're alright if it is. Wow. I don't know, but this weather is cold today. It's gonna be cold for a while. But this is Daly's Pond. Frozen. Wow. It looks icy. Some of it looks thin ice. So I would highly discourage anybody from getting into something like that. Looks like some people tried to walk or something. Right there, I don't know. Yeah, you gotta be crazy to get on that right now. I bet with that water spout, it unfreezes it pretty quick when it gets a little warmer, because it's not warm enough for that right now. But wow, how cool, right? This is a little park for the kids. You got basketball court, you got some swings. Whoa, this is so deep. Wow, very, very deep here. Ooh. Ooh, pants are wet in the bottom. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk that way. It's time to go back to the street. Oh man. Back to the streets. Cool sky. It's becoming sunset now. People walking the dog. It's cool. Whoa! Kid took a spill. He took a spill on the bike. Looks like he's alright. Cool pup. If you guys can see that on the camera. What's up, man? Good. A lot of work, right?
Oh, yeah. Just doing it by yourself?
Yeah.
Like I did this earlier here,
Yeah.
and thank God for that, because it was like about over 12 feet, no, not 12 inches of snow.
Wow.
If I didn't,
How much did we get? About that?
we got about, I don't know, about 13 inches.
Yeah? Wow. I know we got a lot. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I didn't measure it, but it looked like a lot. Yeah. Well, a lot of it's controlled too. They seed the clouds. You know, even weather modification has been going on for a long time.
Oh yeah.
Even Kennedy was talking about it. A news
I've been doing this since I was a kid, and I'm about to be 38 next month
Oh, cool.
in February.
Oh, happy
My dad, when I
pre-later.
first moved to New Jersey, my dad taught me and my younger brother, God bless his soul. I miss my younger brother.
Yeah.
But they taught us since we were kids. You know, you want to make money? Hey, you can move to New Jersey. You're here with us. You want to make money? Snow, shovel it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I take that stuff serious.
I feel you.
Way serious.
Yeah.
Been doing it since I was a kid. So like, regardless, he got his own old stuff in Spotswood, like his own customers in Spotswood.
Yeah.
Out here. When I had the one house, my one roommate, he helped me out big time today with the first house. It was huge.
Yeah.
So, but.
Yeah. Cool, man. Did a great job. It looks great.
Oh yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Looks awesome. Keep it up. It's cool talking to the people. Whoa, my battery. It's time to charge the battery right now. Whoa, let's see what I could do real quick. Okay, we're charging 5%. Let's see how long it goes. Okay, charging the battery. All right. What's up? Oh, that's for rock salt.
Yeah.
I seen that at Lowe's. I was thinking about getting that. That's pretty cool. That's good. Sprinkles it out. Very cool. Smart. Yeah, I seen something like that at Lowe's yesterday. I should have grabbed it. I sprinkle it out myself, but that's a good idea too. I might even have something like that around the house. I'm not sure. I got so many things everywhere. Got some Chinese food delivery. Driving around. Tough drive today. Probably really good money though. Chinese food delivery can make good money. Everybody does DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats. Those are good companies, but you gotta be careful because they own you. You do one little thing, they could cut you off. Even if you're doing your job 100% correctly, they could cut you off for whatever reason they want to. They don't have to keep you on. I've heard a lawyer talking about it who deals with those kind of companies, and he said they can cut you off for anything that they want to. So there's always people trying to get those kind of jobs. So I'm not saying they're bad, I'm just saying don't put all your eggs in one basket. You could be rocking a DoorDash business or Uber or Grubhub, and they're all good. Don't get me wrong, you can make good money in a lot of places. Depends on your market. And you might never, you might be able to go with it forever, but just saying, don't ever put your eggs all in one basket. It's the moral of the story there. Unless it's your own basket. And even then, it's good to have a few of those. It's good to own the basket you put your eggs in. Okay, we're near Clinton Ave, South River. The ground's real mucky here. But all this is supposed to freeze over tonight. It's supposed to get really cold. So News 12, the weather, local weather here for New Jersey was saying, make sure you shovel. Get that snow shoveled, because it's going to be dangerous and impossible later when it gets really cold. So most people are getting it done. It's work. I feel bad if somebody's got to go to work all day and then come home and do all this tonight. But a lot of people were off today because everything was closed. A lot of things were closed. My work was closed. Everything's pretty much shut down today for the most part. A lot of people getting pictures. Snow. Let's walk through the parking lot here. Ooh. It's difficult walking there. Wow. This is South River, New Jersey, Central New Jersey, near East Brunswick, North Brunswick, Old Bridge, Sayreville. Pretty much smack dab in the middle of those ones. You got Edison close, New Brunswick close, Spotswood close, South Amboy not too far, other side of Sayreville, Monroe. If you're from any of those, leave a comment, give a thumbs up. What's your favorite town in this area? Central New Jersey. And if you never came to New Jersey, would you travel to New Jersey? I know right now things are crazy with traveling, of course. 2022, all the situations going on. But yeah, New Jersey. Have you ever traveled to New Jersey? If you're from somewhere else, or America, have you ever traveled to America? Or would you, from wherever you're at? I see people doing videos in a lot of other countries. They look cool. There's my two favorites, other countries. my top three, I guess you could say top three. But Thailand's pretty cool to watch videos. Japan, number 2, like Tokyo and stuff. And then number 1, I think I went backwards, 3, 2, 1. It's cold, my brain is frozen. But right now my top one to watch, my top walk video place is Seoul, South Korea. Seoul City. So cool. That, what an awesome place. If you ever go on YouTube, want to binge watch some YouTube videos, walk videos, and you're looking for a really cool one, I think Seoul City. There's so much coolness going on, partying and just cool vibe. From what I know, it's a very safe city. So yeah, as far as watching an entertaining walk city, that's cool. And of course, New York is cool around here. I do New York videos too. But if I could do videos anywhere else in the world, it would be Thailand, Japan, or Seoul. Those are Seoul City, South Korea. Those are great. Japan, Tokyo, like the cities. But very, very cool. But let's walk down this way. Whoa! It's starting to get dark a little bit. South River Snowmageddon. Nor'easter 2022, January 2022. Blizzard in some areas down South Jersey. Blizzard warning. They probably got about 2 feet of snow. What we got, I'm not sure the total. I seen on the news it said about 6 inches, but it could be more. My house, I think it was about 6 inches, but it could be more. I'm not sure. I didn't measure it exactly, but I measured at one spot. I measured about 5 inches of the snow. So, but that was like right next to the house where it might not have been the full total. So, got to look at the local news for that. Yeah, South River Snowmageddon. Lots of snow. Got like a hookah store, La La Land smoke shop. I don't smoke at all, so that's definitely not for me. But oh, we walked past the office, cool bar, the office, like a speakeasy. It's considered. So we're on Main Street here, South River, Main Street and Ferry. Now we're walking up Ferry, down, up. I don't know. We're walking on Ferry. You got a Honduran Mexican restaurant. La Cazulia, yeah. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of good restaurants here in South River. The Fisherman coming up, Campesinos, Rio Mar. Some famous spots here, some landmarks in the area of South River. You got legit African cuisine. Yeah, it's cool. They just pop out of nowhere, these restaurants. Pretty cool. Very interesting. Snowmageddon. Ooh. Snowdemic. We're in a snowdemic. Raindemic. We had a raindemic this last year. Now we have a snowdemic. Starting the year off with a snowdemic. You got a snowbank there. Got the cat right there shoveling the snow. Pretty cool. Campesinos. Yeah, the sidewalk. This doesn't really look like it was shoveled at all, but a lot of people walked on it, so it's definitely walkable. But everything's closed here. It looks like Campesinos might be open. Not sure. I just walked by it, but I didn't look on that side. Got the fisherman right there. Pampered Paws. My friend Sandra, great lady, great business. She won awards. She does a phenomenal job. Pampered Paws Grooming Salon and Spa. If you're looking in the area for pet grooming, call her up. Definitely. This is the corner of Jackson and Whitehead. Or Ferry. She's on Ferry side. Ferry Street. Got St. Mary's Church right there. Not Catholic, but I'm Christian. But there's a Catholic church. If you're Christian or Catholic, I guess, and there you go. I'm not. I'm Christian though. But yeah, that's a whole nother story, another debate. But anyway, story, whatever. Lots of snow here. Whoa. Wow, they must have put all the snow from the street on here. There's a lot of snow here on the sidewalk. Got the plows out right here, the plow in the snow, the cat, snow blower. That's Campesinos right there. I guess they're plowing behind the building. Very cool. Cool stuff, right? Very cool. Very cool, right? Good job here.